Here at the engine shop, we are a family. After more than 50 years, we are still strong, ambitious, and dedicated. I landed at TAP in 1997, and I've been directing this unit since 2013. Every day I come to work with the same passion, and every day I feel deeply proud of this team. This is an activity of excellence, and I know that I'm surrounded by people who truly love what they do. We have the capacity to overhaul the CFM 56-3, the Dash 5A, the Dash 5B, the Dash 5C and the Dash 7B, as well as CF6 ATC2 and ATE1 engines. We can perform 100 shop visits a year, with an average turnaround time of 65 days for CFM engines. Our most recent conquest is the certification to work on the LEAP 1A engine, which is our bet on the future of engine maintenance. We are TAP Air Portugal, and we are critical to the airline. We take care of our engines and more. Over 70% of our work is for customers from all over the world. And why do they choose us? Because we are flexible, we are competitive, and we pay a distinctive and customized service to our customers. Because we walk in their shoes and we feel their pain. Because we know the urgency of getting an aircraft back in the skies. Because we take care of their engines as if they were our own. We are in line with the best, and we are up to the industry's high standards. We are here to stay.